So real quick today I'm going to show you how to include a hand-drawn sketch as the base for a sketch that you might create in Fusion 360. So the first thing you need to do is take a picture of your hand-drawn sketch, and then we're going to include it and we're going to add it as a canvas. You need to first select the face, then find the image of wherever you saved it. Once you select that, it's going to take that image and place it onto the face. You can adjust it and resize it if you want, but you don't have to do it right now. The more important part is calibrating it. We'll do that in a moment. You hit OK, and you go right-click once you get to the top view, because it's a little easier when you do that, and zoom in just a little bit. You right-click on the canvas, and you tell it to calibrate the canvas, and you select 2 points of known distance. And you tell it what the value is for that. So I know that that's going to be 10 feet. So I click that. Obviously, it gets much bigger on my screen. I can zoom back out. And now in my workspace, that actually takes up exactly 10 feet. So I can go ahead and create a sketch on top of it. And I can use whatever lines are shown on my hand-drawn sketch as sort of like the framework for a sketch that I'm going to create in this workspace. And so I can get the zoom just right to fit properly in there. And once I get this, the whole page there, so say I just want to frame out this rectangle, I can go ahead and begin to draw those lines in by just clicking on the corners. And when I click on the corners, as long as I'm zoomed in properly and I'm being pretty accurate about where I place the initial points, the size is going to be really close to the size that I intend it to be as I've drawn it to scale. You notice that it's slightly off, but we can fix that going forward. And now I have a shape that is exactly the same size as the original drawing, or the same dimensions as the original drawing, and I can use that to sort of fill in whatever I need, and then I can go back in and turn off the canvas if I want, and now I have my shape.